My name is Okeowo Abosede. I am a young lady who is passionate about showing the world that there is a lot I can do, even when I can't walk. I am a self-taught artist who has drawn more than 50 art pieces. Though confined in a wheelchair, with inability to use my legs and my hands like every other people around me do, I still believe that I am created for a purpose, and I will not allow my condition to get the best of me. It is one thing to be on this wheelchair, but it is another thing to be in this world of discrimination coupled with traditional stereotypes. I was never like this before now, but all of a sudden things changed. Surprisingly, I have been like this for over 13 years. I stopped going to school because of my condition in primary 1. But I developed myself on how to draw pictures since it is one of the things I love to do. I got inspired to start drawing because I feel bored all of the time. I was always home alone and I was jobless. I love sketching a lot, though it didn't seem to come out well at first, or it was not making sense. But with consistency and lot of practice, I got really better.
It took you how many days to put this together?
2 weeks.
2 good weeks. Wow. This is Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and it's really making sense. Good 2 weeks. Wow. So during those 2 weeks, what are the challenges you faced? Like, was it the fact you were hungry, or you were out of your utensils and all of that?
I cannot say that I face any challenges, but what I used to do is that anytime I'm not in the mood of drawing, I have to stop.
Okay, so do you want to tell me that there's a mood that comes with you drawing?
No, there is.
Oh, just like those that sings,
Yes.
comes with inspiration. Wow.
I'm not in the mood to put on good artwork like this. I'm not.
Wow, right. That is a good one, and it's so beautiful. All right, so what about this? What about this big, magnificent portrait? Wow. Can you see? It looks, it's bigger than I am.
On this journey, I have drawn the former Vice President of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osinbajo. The portraits go to him, and he sent his delegates in person of Dr. Mrs. Ebi Awoshika, the senior technical assistant to the Vice President, and Senator Mrs. Ojudu to me in Otun Ekiti State, Nigeria. They came to present me a manual wheelchair and scholarship. I sincerely don't believe there is something I can't achieve. No, I am not disabled mentally. Disability does not discriminate. People do. As a fervent believer of making the world, my world, a place to thrive, and as a person who does not care about what people will say, I have learned that you are whatever you believe you are. If you cannot change a circumstance, then change the way you look at your circumstance.
I thank God through this work, I'm able to meet all your business. Thanking God I've missed a daily care gallery. I went to the Lagos then, so I was able to go to our art gallery at Lekki. So I've met the Vice President Associate of Okeowo from Dr. Awoshika. I've been able to do them through this passport.
Nǹkan tó wà very important ni pé jáde àwọn jáde olùkọ́ wa so fún sí bó ṣe globe tó ń ṣe kìíní tó
Why
tó wà òkè dáadáa yìí báyìí ọlọ́mọ pé the work of staying at home and enjoying the best of time.
Yes.
So ẹ̀yin gan ni yes ẹ̀rí pé oh God is really making sense.
And I'm able to get support from my parents, my brothers, and my sisters, and people outside the family, mommy or at different Okeowo. They always support and encourage me anytime, anyway. And all that family members, they are always there for me to support and help me.
Even with the support I got from people, I am still faced with challenges. I can't move. I am financially unstable. I could not even get some materials I needed, and it saddens my heart. But I keep believing help will come. I won't stop putting in my best and believing in God. My word to you is, don't be discouraged. If there's anything I need to tell you, it is that there is ability in your disability.